Hey everybody, this is Martin Mi5 back for another video. Today's video I want to talk about Nio Stock, how I lost $58,000 with Nio. Now this is my original video I made 3 years ago. Let's go down and see exactly when it was made. It was December 4th, 2020. That was pretty much already the end of the bull run for Nio. It was getting really damn close. I was already down a lot, and I made this video, and you can see some pricing here. It's $43.04 or something like that. And I made this video to show people what had happened to me, how much I was down, and I decided to sell before it went all the way back down to ground zero because I'd already waited a little too long. And people just like gave me straight up hate for making a decision about my own portfolio. I was like, what is up with these people? Why are they so mad that I'm going to sell my own stocks at my will? They were so pissed. I mean, they were downright hateful, angry. And a lot of you guys are still like that. If I ever make a slightly negative video or bearish video of Nio, you guys either don't watch or you turn into a bunch of petty little kids. I'm not saying all of you. There's a few of you out there that are like that. And there was an overwhelming amount of people on this video that did that. And I would just like, I don't understand why people are so worried about other people's decisions to do what they need to do. I kept, like I said, I lost money because I kept listening to people saying, it's going to go to 100, this and this and this, blah, 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 blah. And it never did. You guys know that. It only nosedived way down to what it is now, which is not even $5. And if I would have held that, I would have been way, way underwater. And I don't even know what year, if any, that I would get break even. Because my average cost, I think at this point was like it was getting to like $26, I think it was in this video. But let's go take a look at the comment section, because history repeats itself, so I want you guys to see this. This guy here says, why is everyone hating on his decision? His money, his decision, his choices still made money. If you were better, are you making that much money? Or are you just hating because you can't? So Lorenzo Huyen, whatever, I appreciate you. Even to this day, I hope you're still around. Next comment. This guy says, I have 60K on Nio. Keep in mind, this is during that time. This was 3 years ago. I have 60K on Nio, average is $37, 1,611 shares, and plan to round it up to 2,000 before Nio Day. One person says, great risk management advice and decision on this stock. Kudos for still making money. I made a lot of money. I made about 200K just on this Robinhood account alone. It's not even counting on my Webull and my SoFi trading app. So all in all, probably made about 600K. And people were clowning me for it. It's like, really? This dude here is straight up rude. He's like, bro, shut the F up with these videos. We don't care. You weren't patient enough to keep stocks. Why are you making a video about it? Because that's my prerogative. I can make a video about anything I want. It's my channel. You lost negative 100,000 means you earn 100,000. I never said anything about negative 100,000. This guy said he has more Nio than I do. He said Nio's going tomorrow or next month, but I'm almost sure that Nio will reach $100 next year or 2022. But anyway, taking profits is never a wrong move. Well, at least he said taking profits is not a wrong move. But he was talking about the $100, just like a lot of people were. And this person here, Martin Weathers, that name sounds familiar too. I held, but was close to the same scenario. Grabbed 5,000 shares, 21.44 average. Hated seeing 55 and then back down. I'm long term, so just gonna ride. I wonder if he's still riding. If any of these guys are you in this comment section, let me know and leave another comment. Hopefully nicer than what you guys were at that time. You for real? This could be said about anything. Okay. Now this one I do recognize, Nio Trending. I'm sure you guys know who he is too, and he's still around. He comments on my videos even now sometimes, and vice versa. If you are happy with your decision, great for you. You might be interested in watching some of my vids. Been studying Nio since first buy at $6 and change in June. Thanks for sharing your story and explaining the moves you made. Each investor must make their own decision, and it seems like you were happy with the results, so great job. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So you can see I hearted him. I'm going to put a like anyway. There you go. Thanks, Nio Trending. And I know you guys know who he is because he's still legit and he's still here to this day. And I know you guys watch him, so props to him. The more people sell, the cheaper I can get my Nio. See you all in 10 years. You premature sold off. Not a big deal. But again, buy again in the dips for a long-term investment. You missed out on becoming a multimillionaire for your average of 28 average. I don't think this guy was trying to be facetious. So should have only sold some. Don't ever panic sell again. I want to say a panic sell. That was just lost control and prevention. This guy thinks he's real funny. He's like, LOL, you must regret it now. No, I don't. Knowing what it is now, I sure as hell don't regret it. Shake my head. Not a good move, but good luck to you. So, a little underhanded compliment there. Backsided compliment. Kind of cut me down, complimented me at the same time. It's like, oh, good for you, but you're a dumbass, basically. And I don't regret what I did. The only thing I regret is holding it as long as I did. I should have sold before I was down so far. If you guys get down below 1,000 on any stock, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, that's a clear sign that that stock is not going in your direction. Get rid of it before it gets to that level. I know that I was still kind of a beginning trader at this point, but I have learned my lesson. If I would have pulled out with that 5,000 loss, sold, I would have been doing much, much better. But I kept waiting because everybody says it's going to bounce back. It's going to bounce back. Stocks usually don't bounce back when they go that low. Not usually. Especially not new companies. Thanks for the sharing. Keep it long. Something about options or whatever. This guy says buy $244,000 worth of Nio stock. $1 million in 5 years or less. You should have kept your stock. You'll make $1 million on Nio easily in your position. Good luck. Hope you get back in. He meant well, but little did he know how far out it would actually be. This guy said I did the right thing. Thank you. This guy says clickbait title. How's it clickbait when I lost 58K? Can you help me? I bought it 48. I'm going to be in here for a month till I get back up to 48. Oh, so he was hurting. Good lesson here. Templar's Wordex says too quick to thumbs down. Still wouldn't hurt to throw in a cartoon or Jedi or SMN. Cheers. So, pretty good. Bro Analyst has Nio over $300 into 2021. I heard people making those freaking predictions in that time, and I never believed anything over 100. I thought maybe 100, okay? And I was stupid and foolish enough to even believe that. And be careful. A lot of these guys, even currently, are going to tell you that it's going to go, I don't know what numbers they're going to make up, that it's going to go this high and all this. I tell you guys, if you don't want to lose any money, there's no shame in selling, as long as you're not real negative. Like I said, don't let yourself get thousands of dollars down before you decide to do it. Otherwise, you're going to be holding that shit for a long time, and you may never get your money back. You should never have went into a big company you don't believe in. Next time, hold for a long haul and quit being a scared, emotional trader. Okay. It's called limiting your losses, dummy. This guy just straight up insulting me. Clickbait, explain that I'm dumb, blah, 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 blah. How's it helping anyone? How's it helping anyone? What did I tell him in response? You didn't make this video so you could try to make Nio go lower so it wouldn't feel as bad. I don't respect you, but just be honest. Okay. He don't respect me. People are saying that I was trying to get people to sell Nio so I could buy more. I'm like, yeah, I really have that much control over the freaking stock market. Zero chance Nio will be delisted. Stop with that nonsense. I know exactly what happened. Blah, 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 blah. Therefore, accept even a bigger run-up next time. I sold my Nio at $51 and bought back in at $46 for $5 of gains. Fortunately, I sold a little too early and bought back too late, because I could have sold at $57 and bought back at $39. Oops. Oh well. Maybe I'll do better next time. A huge run-up dips again. Yeah. Good luck with that huge run-up. This guy was saying he thinks Nio is gonna go to $65. This is in December. Other people just straight up insulting me. This one here's, oh, that's the same one that I pinned. People calling me an amateur. I was newer to the game at that point, I ain't gonna lie, but I made a lot of damn money compared to some other people, I'll tell you that. This chick here says, wow, I can see most people don't even watch an entire video before disliking, insulting, and giving their biased opinion. It's incredible. And more people just insulting down here about panic selling. This guy says, you know this message is cancerous and advantageous. You should act above reproach. Keep your butthurt sentiment to yourself. Really? I'm posting about what happened on my account. Some people are just freaking stupid. So, I wanted to share that video with you guys because, like I said, history does repeat itself. And I want you guys to be very, very careful. Don't blindly follow what people are saying. That's kind of what I wound up doing because I drank the Kool-Aid. I really did. And I lost a lot of money, potential gains, I should say. But I still made a nice profit. And I'm very grateful that I that I bought Nio and sold. I traded it. It was a swing trade. I wasn't going to hold it for the rest of my life. I don't want to be waiting 30 years to make a freaking profit. But anyway, you guys be careful out there. Like I said, if you guys see yourself in this comment, let me know. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell so you'll be notified of my daily uploads. It'll be Nio videos and other entrepreneurial videos as well, showing you guys how to make as much money as possible. And I'll teach you how to learn from some of the mistakes I've made myself. Remember, the mistakes you learn from don't have to be your own. It's better if they're somebody else's. So, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.